who are suffering from mental illness, and it's a big Pandora box currently. It's not surprising that one of our own, an elder in the country, a doctor, and a politician by fame who attempted to be a president, has decided to go on a hunger strike, of which we know going to hunger strike will lead to suicidal ideation, maybe termination of life, which is one thing we wouldn't want to see as a country. So for that sake, I would request his legal team maybe to consult the judges and write to judges that our client country is not in the right mind of state, so that they seek psychiatric intervention for help. If it is so that it's the prison that is influencing his actions of going to hunger strike, which may later on lead to suicidal ideation or suicidal attempt, he be given liberty to attend to better psychiatric mental health facilities for his own benefit. Otherwise, I don't see any resolution coming from the hunger strike other than damaging him more physically and mentally.
In the spirit of truth and justice, I beg to make the following report pursuant to your directive. My delegation consisted of myself, the Minister of State for Internal Affairs, and the Deputy Attorney General. As the public face of justice, I want to thank you, Madam Speaker, for the seriousness with which you handle this matter, and I want to thank members for asserting their responsibility. I wish to assure you that government is also responsible. Responsibility means ability to respond, and we have responded. And now I wish to inform this House, Madam Speaker, that by the time we reach the court, the lawyers of Colonel Kiza Besigye had actually been engaging with the judiciary. Not the lawyers I'm talking about, these are the better lawyers. And they had agreed to reschedule the matter, which had been fixed for Tuesday. It is now going to come tomorrow. And during that sitting tomorrow, the court will give the appropriate directions, and they will definitely abide by the decree. The court had insisted that they needed the decree in order not to appear to overrule the Supreme Court. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.